Hello friends, welcome to our new video of Microsoft Excel series, and today we are going to learn how to count cells that are not blank. So friends, this is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. Friends, I have started a video series based on Microsoft Excel. You can check the playlist in my channel and also check the description box. There I will give you the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So at first open the Microsoft Excel software, then I am going to run the OSK software, that is on screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. So I have already created a file previously that we learn today. So friends, we are going to count cells that are not blank. To count the number of cells that are not blank in range, you can use the COUNTA function. In this example, we are going to count the cells that are not blank. The blank cells will be excluded from the range. All you have to do, that is, type the formula here, equals to COUNTA as shown here, then open the first bracket, then give the range like this range. In my case, the range is B4 to B9. So you can write it down here, or you can just click the data range here, then close the bracket and hit the enter. So let's see friend, we have the data of 6 cells, but there we have a data cell that is blank. So now the formula gives you the exact result that cells are not blank. Here we have 5 cells that are not blank. So let's see how this formula works. COUNTA is fully automatic. When given a range of cells, it counts cells that contain number, text, logical values and errors also, like this. This is an error, it counts also the error. COUNTA does not count empty cells. To count cells that are blank, you can use the count blanks function. I have already created a video in which I have showed how to count the blank cells. I will give you the video link in the I button here and also in the description box. So that's all for today friends. See you soon guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion and share this video with your friends. I will come back soon with some amazing videos like this. Keep learning, keep supporting my channel and stay tuned.